That's disgusting. Oh my god.
Oh, Lord.
I feel bad for Shadow. He's biting him.
He just like walks all over him and he doesn't even care. Like seriously, look at Shadow. He's like not even doing anything.
Oh my god. Oh my god, like what is he trying to do?
I'll scratch your
Look
neck.
at he's thinking. He's just standing there. I'm pretty sure.
Those things, you have to watch these videos. Oh my god.
Look at his leg. Oh my god.
It's insane.
Look at it. Those are two guy dogs.
Look at Princess. She's like, stop videotaping. No videos here.
Oh my god. He's like, get off of me. He's biting him. Miranda, they're like fighting.
No, but he's getting really pissed.
Who?
Shadow. You can tell by the look on his face. At least my dog is not gay.
Your dog is gay.
He's my boy. He's not.
He's got one paw up. Yep.
Oh my
Oh god.
God, again, you're like a freaking horse. And there's Princess.
Oh, Princey. Oh, maybe we should let them in.
Yeah, it's really cold out.
One last hump.